Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell Let Loose properly. Mastering this game requires more than just shooting. It demands strategic thinking and seamless teamwork. You'll need to understand your role, communicate effectively, and always prioritize the objective. Every player contributes to the overall success, whether you are building defenses or pushing the front line. Let's dive into the core principles that will elevate your gameplay and lead your team to victory. Every class in Hell Let Loose serves a distinct purpose, and understanding yours is paramount. As an officer, you lead your squad and place crucial outposts. Support players are essential for providing supplies to build garrisons, which are vital spawn points. Medics keep your team in the fight by reviving fallen comrades, while engineers fortify positions and repair damaged vehicles. Coordinated efforts across these roles are key to securing victory. Communication is the backbone of successful play in Hell Let Loose. There are 3 distinct communication channels: proximity chat for nearby players, squad chat for your immediate 5-person team, and officer chat for leaders to coordinate across the entire company. Always use clear, concise callouts for enemy locations, vehicle sightings, and objective status. For example, report an enemy tank at 100 meters, bearing 270 degrees. Winning in Hell Let Loose hinges on objective play, not just kill counts. Your primary goal is to capture and defend strong points. Garrisons, built by officers and support players, are critical team spawn points, allowing rapid redeployment. Outposts provide your squad with forward spawn locations, enabling quick pushes. Always be aware of the battle's flow, anticipating enemy movements, and reinforcing vulnerable sectors to secure victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.